looky what I can do. Hey there guys. We interrupt these curly girl interviews because honestly, I missed y'all and I wanted to say hi and wash my hair for the first time since baby girl has arrived. P.S. Stick around to the end of the video and you might just get a sneak peek of a very sweet bundle of goodness. Also, yes, be like Jesus and take naps. I am resting. I am soaking up so much of this wonderful time with my baby girl, but I have not washed and styled my hair in what feels like months, and I'm ready. I want my waves and curls back. I've been doing the product-free thing for so long, and in order to wash and style my hair for the first time since baby girl has come, I'm going to be using my absolute favorite duo, my favorite product combo, because I need something that is going to be fast and that I know for sure is going to work really well. So without further ado, thank you CurlSmith so much for sponsoring today's video. Let's head into my bathroom and wash and style this serious mom bun. Also, my hair has grown so much. It's still growing like a weed. I'm curious about the postpartum hair loss that is imminent and coming, but this is what we're dealing with before we wash. Yeah. Now let's go. Can I just say that this feels so good to be able to bend over my tub and wash my hair again. This is the most comfortable, easy, fast way for me to wash my hair, and especially since baby girl has come, I save my hair washing and styling for while she's napping. So this works really well. I take my morning shower, I get ready, and then when I have a moment during the day, then I do my hair. I don't know why, but it's easier for me. Okay, let's get started.
While I am getting my hair thoroughly saturated with some water before I begin the washing process, I just wanted to clarify that I haven't washed and styled my hair yet, but waiting to wash and style my hair over the tub while baby girl is napping makes the most sense to me time management wise.
So we're starting off with the CurlSmith VividTones Vibrancy Shampoo. I like this shampoo a lot because it gives me a good clean for my oily, greasy scalp, but it doesn't overstrip my hair. It doesn't increase the oil production. It's the perfect daily cleanser for me and my hairs.
As I sit here and scrub my scalp, I thought I would jump in and mention that this shampoo is 100% safe for color-treated hair, and it contains ingredients specific to brighten up your hair color, like lemon peel, pineapple, and citric acid. It really does brighten up my hair.
Really just focusing on the scalp and massaging with the pads of my fingers, never my fingernails. Also, my fingernails are growing so well postpartum. I'm one of those people that has really short fingernails most of the time, but they're long right now, which is a fun change. Now here is the next amazing product. This plus the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. This is the styling combo. That is money. The reason that I love the multitasking conditioner is it's one of those products that actually does 3 things very well. It's a deep conditioning treatment if you leave it on your hair for a while, especially if you apply some heat to it, like wrap your hair up in a towel and let it sit for a while. or use a thermal heat cap. It also works really, really well as your standard rinse out conditioner. It's got tons of slip and you can rinse it out completely and your hair will be perfectly hydrated and smooth and happy. And it's safe to be left on the hair, so you don't have to rinse it out if you don't want to. If your hair is really prone to being weighed down, maybe rinse it out. But if your hair is really, really dry, maybe leave a good majority of it in. Now that I've thoroughly finger detangled, I am just distributing the conditioner with my brush pretty thoroughly. And I like to use this conditioner as my leave-in, and I'm going to do what I call a trickle rinse. So I'm kind of pulling the hair off the sides of my face, off the back of my head, and now I'm going to trickle rinse. This gives really big, juicy clumps, and this technique works really well with conditioners that are safe to be left in the hair. I'm just holding my hair underneath a very light trickle of water and gently pulsing and squishing to condition. And I'm just going to do this until I feel good about the amount of conditioner that's in my hair. This does take trial and error and practice, but eventually you do get a feel for it.
And you notice I'm kind of holding my hair up. This is a trick I learned from the Curly Girl Handbook. This doesn't stretch out my hair completely as I do the trickle rinse. So holding the hair up is a trick for doing a trickle rinse. And as I finish up with the squish to condition, I do want to mention that another thing I love about the multitasking conditioner is that it's got a great balance of moisture and protein. It's not moisture heavy or protein heavy. It really does keep my hair beautifully balanced, and it even contains a bond protection patented ingredient.
Just stood up and shook the hair off the back of my head. And now I'm kind of scrunching out a little bit more water. Before, I was just kind of swooshing the water around until I felt like my hair had soaked up a lot of the conditioner. And now I'm just removing the excess, because my hair has been doing a lot better when I remove more water from it before applying stylers.
I think this is because it's getting so long.
It used to do better when I had way more water in my hair when I'd apply stylers. Now we're going in with the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly, grabbing a good amount, like so. I really like the consistency of this product. It's not too thick, not too thin. Oh wow, my hair's gotten so much longer. The longer your hair gets, the more product it needs. So I'll probably go in with some more.
Now you may be wondering why I grabbed this product instead of the CurlSmith Styling Souffle, which is another one of my all-time favorites. This Hydro Style Flexi Jelly has really good hold while also being incredibly lightweight, and it doesn't weigh down my hair. In the battle of the CurlSmith gels, this one may or may not have performed the best on my longer hair.
I want there to be enough product in my hair that when I scrunch, I can almost start to feel it squeezing out between my fingers. That tells me I have good product saturation and distribution.
One last thing about this particular gel that I find incredibly unique is that it contains hyaluronic acid. Yes, that magical skincare ingredient, awesome humectant that really does hold water to itself so well. It is very hydrating without weighing down the hair. It's incredible how this product works.
Wow. It's so good to see curl clumps. I haven't seen this in so long. All right, I'm gonna go plop my hair and diffuse, and I will be back to scrunch out the crunch with y'all. All right, I diffused my hair to 90% dry and let it finish air drying. And can I just say, oh my Lanta, I have missed wearing my hair wavy curly so much. I do think that it's a little bit heavy right now. Like I need some more layers cut into it. It needs a good shaping. But anyway, let's scrunch out the crunch and fluff to reveal the final results. Alrighty, there we go. That is it for this wash day, my perfect duo, my favorite combo. I'm so excited that I got to style my hair again for the first time in a very long time with some of my absolute favorite products. If you want, feel free to check out the description down below for more info on the products that I used. CurlSmith was kind enough to offer you guys a 10% off coupon, which is lovely. And as always, I hope y'all are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye! Oh man. All right, guys. For those of y'all who stuck around to the end, here she is.